Let's step inside the Euro Banknotes factory, where the magic of creating the Euro 50 notes takes place. Managed by the European Central Bank, these notes are essential for daily transactions across 19 EU countries. Each year, the factory produces between 5 to 6 billion notes, ensuring a steady supply and replacing worn-out bills.
It's the sound of money being printed. To be precise, it's the sound of Euro banknotes being produced.
So what's the process like behind crafting these vital banknotes? How do they ensure each note meets high security standards? Join us as we uncover the intricate steps involved from initial design to final distribution, and explore how these bills are made to maintain trust and reliability in Europe's currency system.
A big row over big money ends with a compromise. The European Central Banks to stop issuing 500 euro notes, but only from the end of 2018 due to resistance from Germany.
Let's begin. Each banknote, which have been in circulation across the Eurozone since 2002, play a crucial role in everyday transactions throughout Europe. Initially introduced for electronic payments in 1999, the euro became tangible with the issuance of physical notes and coins in 2002, gradually replacing national currencies across EU member states. This transition marked a significant step towards economic integration and simplification for millions of people who now use the euros in their daily lives. The design of Euro banknotes is uniform across the Eurozone, showcasing a blend of cultural and historical elements. Despite their uniformity, these notes are printed by various member states, each contributing to the production process. Made from pure cotton fiber, Euro banknotes are designed not only for durability, but also for a distinct tactile experience, ranging in size and featuring vibrant color schemes, from the smaller €5 note to the larger €500 note. Each denomination serves a specific purpose in facilitating transactions of varying values. What makes Euro banknotes truly remarkable are their advanced security features. These include watermarks, invisible ink, holograms, optically variable inks, and microprinting, all meticulously integrated to prevent counterfeiting. Unlike Euro coins, which display a national side indicating their origin, Euro banknotes indicate their issuing country throughout the first character of the serial number. This unique feature underscores the collaborative effort among Eurozone nations in maintaining the integrity of their currency. As of July 2023, there were approximately 29.624 billion Euro banknotes in circulation, collectively valued about 1.569 trillion euros. In response to evolving security needs, the European Central Bank introduced the Europa series, ES2, in 2013, starting with the €5 note. This new series gradually replaced the first series, ES1, and omitted the €500 note from circulation due to concerns about its potential misuse and illegal activities. The lifespan of Euro banknotes varies by denomination. On average, a Euro banknote remains in circulation for about 3 years before being replaced due to wear and tear. Lower denominations such as the €5 note tend to wear out more quickly due to frequent handling, while higher denominations like the €500 note can remain in use for over 30 years. The Europa series incorporates enhanced durability features for lower denominations like the €5 and €10 notes, ensuring they withstand daily use for a longer period. Now let's talk about the process of creating a €50 banknote. Our journey begins with the ensuring tight security to protect the integrity of the currency.
This is a highly secure area and almost no one is allowed to go in. Here, every can of ink, sheet of paper, and scrap of waste material is accounted for.
Once inside, the first crucial step is paper making. Euro banknotes are unique because they're made from a blend of cotton and linen fibers. This special mix not only gives them a distinct feel, but also makes them more durable than regular paper money.
The process starts with the production of a very special kind of paper. Euro banknotes are printed on paper made of pure cotton fibers. This gives the banknotes their special crispness and makes them resistant to wear and tear.
During this stage, intricate security features like watermarks and security threads are embedded into the paper to prevent counterfeiting, adding an extra layer of protection.
At this stage, a watermark and a high-tech security thread are embedded in the paper. A metallic foil is applied to the paper using pressure and heat.
If you're enjoying the video so far, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out a lot. Next comes the printing process, where craftsmen meet cutting-edge technology. Euro banknotes are printed using a method called calcographic printing. This involves using engraved plates made from tough materials like steel or copper. These plates are meticulously crafted to capture every detail of the banknote design with precision. The plates are mounted on offset printing presses where ink is applied to them. The ink sticks to the engraved parts of the plate, creating the intricate patterns and images of the banknotes.
At the end of the production process, the paper is cut into sheets and securely transported from the paper mills to the printing works.
Here's where it really gets interesting. The offset transfer. This technique involves transferring the inked design from the plate onto a rubber blanket cylinder. From there, the design is transferred onto the banknote paper as it passes between the rubber blanket and a counter-pressure cylinder. This process is repeated for each color used in the banknote's design, layering shades and details to create vibrant and complex visual appearance. Every Euro banknote goes through multiple checks and inspections throughout the production process to ensure it meets strict quality standards. These checks guarantee that each banknote not only looks beautiful, but also maintains the highest levels of security and durability. It's a blend of artistry and technology, where skilled craftsmanship and advanced printing techniques come together to create a currency that people can trust and rely on in their everyday lives.
There are 4 stages to the printing process. The first stage is called offset printing. Here, a multicolored background is printed simultaneously on both sides of the paper. This calls for extreme precision.
Next comes the printing technology. Used to create Euro banknotes, a process that combines artistry with advanced security measures at the Euro Bank factory, where every step is crucial to ensuring the currency's integrity. Printing starts with intricate techniques designed to deter counterfeiting and ensure durability. One of the primary methods employed is intaglio printing. This involves engraving detailed designs and tactile features onto metal plates. When paper is pressed against these plates, ink is transferred under high pressure, resulting in raised areas and a distinctive texture along the edges of the banknote. This not only enhances the visual clarity of the design, but also provides a unique feel that adds to its authenticity. Another important printing technique is silkscreen printing, which is used to apply specific elements like the denomination value and holographic features on certain Euro banknotes. These features are integral to the banknote security, as they incorporate advanced technologies such as color-shifting ink. For instance, the denomination number on some banknotes can change from emerald green to deep blue when tilted, creating a dynamic visual effect that is difficult to replicate and serves as a clear indicator of authenticity.
Then comes the silkscreen printing, when the emerald number is applied to the front of the banknotes. The shiny ink contains special high-tech pigments which allow the number to change color from emerald green to deep blue when the banknote is tilted. The number also displays an effect of the light that moves up and down.
Throughout the printing process, stringent quality control measures are in place. Skilled technicians meticulously inspect each banknote for any imperfections, ensuring that only flawless notes proceed to the next stage. This attention to detail is crucial in maintaining the high standards required for Euro banknotes, which are used daily across Europe in millions of transactions.
During the intaglio printing, ink is applied to the paper under high pressure. This creates high-definition images and a release structure that can be felt on the left and right edges of the banknote.
Once printed, the banknotes undergo serial number application. Using high-speed automated machines, unique identification numbers consisting of letters and digits are precisely stamped onto the back of each banknote. These serial numbers not only serve as a means of traceability, but also enhance the banknote's security and authenticity. They signify the specific printing location and are crucial in tracking the circulation and origin of each banknote.
The numbering press prints a serial number on the back of the notes. Each banknote is given a unique combination of 2 letters and 10 digits. The first letter in the serial number identifies the printing works where the banknote was printed. For instance, these banknotes were printed in Italy.
A very crucial step in the production of euro banknotes involves the meticulous process of inspection and quality control. After the banknotes are printed with intricate designs and security features, they undergo rigorous scrutiny to ensure they meet the highest standards. Advanced scanning technology plays a pivotal role here, magnifying scan samples of the banknotes by hundreds of times. High-resolution scanners meticulously examine every detail, searching for any potential imperfections. This thorough approach ensures that each banknote meets its precise specifications and adheres to stringent quality standards before being released into circulation.
The printed sheets are thoroughly inspected by both machines and humans. Individual sheets are selected at random during each production phase to ensure consistent quality and identify any misprints. The sheets are counted at each stage of the printing process.
Another critical phase in the production process is the careful counting and separation of banknote sheets. At each stage of printing, the sheets are meticulously counted to maintain accuracy and prevent errors. Once the banknotes pass the rigorous inspection process, they proceed to the cutting and separation stage. Specialized cutting machines are employed to precisely trim the large printed sheets into individual banknotes. This step is crucial in ensuring that each banknote is uniform in size and shape, which facilitates easier handling and counting during distribution.
With surgical precision, cutting machines slice piles of 100 sheets into strips and then again into stacks of banknotes. The quality of the finished product is then checked in an automated process. This ensures that all euro banknotes are identical regardless of where they have been produced.
Throughout these stages, attention to detail is paramount. Every banknote undergoes meticulous scrutiny to guarantee its authenticity, durability, and visual appeal. From the initial selection of materials to the final inspection and cutting, each step in the production process contributes to creating euro banknotes that are not only secure, but also reliable for everyday transactions across the eurozone. After we cut the euro banknotes into individual pieces, the next crucial step is sorting them based on their denominations. Automated machines handle this task efficiently, scanning and categorizing the banknotes into specific bundles for each denomination. These bundles typically contain standardized quantities, often grouping 100 or 1,000 banknotes together. To keep these bundles secure and organized, special bands or straps are used to hold them in place. The bundles are further secured with seals or adhesive tape to maintain the integrity of the packaging and deter any unauthorized access.
The notes are checked and counted once more before being wrapped in self-sealing plastic film and neatly stacked in cardboard containers slightly bigger than a shoebox. Each box is made to fit 10,000 banknotes.
Each package is carefully labeled with essential information, including the denomination quantity and range of serial numbers of the banknotes contained within. These labels play a vital role in identifying and tracking the packages throughout the storage and distribution process. They ensure that each bundle is accounted for and handled correctly as it moves throughout the logistical chain. Once sorted and packaged, the banknotes are stored in highly secure vaults, designed to protect them from various risks such as theft, fire, and other potential hazards. These vaults are equipped with stringent security protocols and advanced monitoring systems to ensure that safety and integrity of the stored banknotes at all times. This secure storage environment ensures that the banknotes remain pristine and ready for distribution until they're needed for circulation across the eurozone. The final stage in the journey of euro banknotes is their distribution to banks and financial institutions across the euro area, where they become integral to everyday transactions for businesses and individuals alike. Managed with precision, this process ensures a steady supply of banknotes to meet the economic demands of the region. Since their official introduction on January 1, 2002, euro banknotes have played a vital role in unifying the currencies of 12 European Union member states, replacing their national currencies.
The freshly printed euro banknotes are either stored in high security vaults or shipped via road, sea or air across the world, ready to enter circulation. To find out more about euro banknotes,
initially introduced in countries such as Austria, Belgium, Finland, France, Germany, Greece, Ireland, Italy, Luxembourg, the Netherlands, Portugal, and Spain, euro banknotes come in denominations of 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, 200, and 500 euros. Each denomination is easily distinguishable by its unique color, size, and design, making them accessible and recognizable across diverse cultures and languages within the Eurozone. Issued by both national central banks and the European Central Bank, these institutions collaborate closely to ensure the issuance, management, and security of euro banknotes. The production and distribution of euro banknotes are a cooperative effort. National central banks handle production within their respective countries, while the ECB oversees coordination and standardization across the Eurozone. This ensures a consistent supply of high quality and secure banknotes. In 2013, the ECB launched the Europa series, featuring enhanced security features and a portrait of Europa, a figure from Greek mythology, in watermark and hologram. This series includes the 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, and 200 euro banknotes, each designed to deter counterfeiting and maintain trust in the currency. Environmental sustainability is also a priority in euro banknote production. The ECB emphasizes using sustainable raw materials, reducing energy consumption, minimizing waste, and recycling worn-out banknotes to lessen its ecological footprint. This commitment aligns with broader environmental goals and ensures responsible stewardship of resources throughout the banknote lifecycle. Special commemorative euro banknotes are issued on significant occasions, such as the 10th anniversary of the Economic and Monetary Union and the 2015 European Souvenir Banknote, which are popular among collectors for their unique designs and historical significance. These commemorative notes celebrate milestones in Europe's economic and cultural history, adding a cultural dimension to the currency. Before distribution, euro banknotes undergo meticulous handling and storage. They are sorted and bundled into standardized quantities, typically in bundles of 100 or 1,000 notes. These bundles are securely wrapped with bands or straps and sealed with security seals or adhesive tape, ensuring the integrity of the packaging and preventing unauthorized access. The euro banknotes have some remarkable security features designed to uphold their authenticity and safeguard against counterfeiting, ensuring trust and reliability across the Eurozone. These features are crucial for maintaining the integrity of the currency and protecting it from illicit activities. Among the primary security measures employed on euro banknotes is the use of firm and crisp paper. This specialized paper is robust and durable, designed not only to withstand regular handling but also to maintain its structural integrity over time. The distinctive feel of the paper provides an initial tactile verification for users and serves as a foundation for embedding additional security elements. One of the most recognizable security features on euro banknotes is the presence of raised print. These tactile elements, such as the initial of the European Central Bank (ECB), are perceptible by touch. Raised print not only enhances accessibility but visually impaired individuals, but also acts as a visible indicator of authenticity. This feature is strategically incorporated into the design to provide immediate verification against counterfeit attempts. Watermarks are another essential security measure integrated into euro banknotes. These include both standard and digital watermarks, visible under light when the note is held up to a source of illumination. The standard watermark typically depicts a design such as a gate or a window alongside the denomination, ensuring quick and reliable authentication. Digital watermarks, which are embedded within the design itself, serve as a covert function aimed at detecting and deterring unauthorized reproduction of banknotes. Security threads are a critical component of euro banknotes, featuring a black magnetic thread woven into the paper. This thread is visible when the note is held up to the light and contains essential elements such as the denomination and the word euro in multiple languages, including Greek and Latin alphabets. Its magnetic properties enable sophisticated detection methods, further enhancing security measures against counterfeit activities. Microprinting is employed extensively on euro banknotes as a sophisticated anti-counterfeiting measure. These minute texts and patterns are intricately printed within specific areas of the banknotes, often around symbols like the euro sign or within the design elements themselves. Microprinting is challenging to replicate accurately, with standard printing techniques serving as a deterrent to counterfeiters attempting to reproduce the notes. Holograms play a pivotal role in enhancing the security of higher denomination euro banknotes. These holographic elements incorporate dynamic features such as a color shifting effect or moving images that change appearances when viewed from different angles. The complexity involved in producing these holograms makes them highly resistant to replication by counterfeiters, ensuring the authenticity and reliability of the currency. Infrared and ultraviolet UV features are also embedded into euro banknotes to further enhance their security profile. Under specialized lighting conditions, these features reveal specific patterns and markings that are invisible under normal light. UV light, for instance, highlights fluorescent fibers and the Urian constellation pattern, which aids in identifying genuine banknotes and detecting counterfeit attempts. Variable color ink is utilized on euro banknotes, particularly on higher denominations, to introduce another layer of security. This ink changes color when viewed from different angles, transitioning between shades like purple, olive green, or brown. The use of variable color ink not only enhances the visual appeal of the notes, but also adds complexity to their production, making them more challenging to replicate with precision. Overall, these advanced security features collectively contribute to making euro banknotes among the most secure currencies globally. Despite these tight security measures, counterfeit euro notes occasionally make their way into circulation. The European Central Bank, ECB, keeps the public informed by publishing reports every 6 months detailing the number of counterfeit notes removed from circulation. For instance, 2009 saw the highest number of counterfeits ever reported, with 860,000 fake notes being detected, which translates to 64 counterfeits per million banknotes in circulation. Comparing this to other currencies, a study from the University of Lausanne found the rate of counterfeiting to be different across various currencies. For the Swiss franc, about 10 counterfeit notes were found per million real ones. The United States dollar had around 100 counterfeits per million, while the British pound sterling saw approximately 300 counterfeits per million. The situation began to improve after 2009. In 2011, the number of counterfeit euro banknotes detected dropped to 606,000, or 41 counterfeits per million banknotes. This downward trend continued in 2012, with 531,000 counterfeit notes found, equating to 34 counterfeits per million. By 2014, the ECB detected 838,000 counterfeit euro banknotes, which was 48 per million. However, thanks to enhanced security features introduced by the Europa series of banknotes, the number has steadily declined since then. In 2021, only 347,000 counterfeit notes were seized, reducing the rate to 12 counterfeits per million banknotes in circulation. Interestingly, the majority of these counterfeit notes were 50 euro and 20 euro denominations, accounting for 33.8% and 32.1% of the total counterfeits detected. This highlights the importance of the advanced security features, particularly in these commonly used denominations, to maintain the integrity and trust in the euro banknotes. So what are your thoughts about the euro banknotes factory? Did you enjoy the manufacturing process of euro bills? Share your thoughts down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed watching, make sure to like and subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.